Hi there, my name is Brian. Let me introduce how to control the prices in any supported currency. First of all, open the H4GIO documentation. Open the price controlling section. There you will find all relevant informations. There are two different types of price control. You can add a total X to the purchase price or add a certain percentage. Here is the formula for the fixed price type. For the percent price types, the formula can be found below. You should know beforehand that you can control the price via profit groups, rules, and also globally. To understand all of this using an example, open the dashboard. Open the control dashboard via the drop-down menu. Search the price controller widget. Click on custom and then on the start now button. In the first tab you can set the global settings. I enter an amount of 50. Click on the switch to the percentage rate. If no other rules are set, then 50% profit is always added to the purchase price. Incidentally, this is the setting with the lowest priority. The profit rule has a higher priority. Click on the Profit Rules tab to set these settings. To add a new rule, click the Add button. We pronounce it like this: if the purchase price is between 1 cent and €5, then add 1.50 euros profit to the product. Another example with percentage profit: if the purchase price is between €5 and 1 cent and €10, then add 25% profit. Click the Save Changes button to save the settings. There is another setting, as you have probably already noticed. Navigate to this tab. We call it the Profit Group because it makes possible to divide products in groups. The profit groups have the highest priority, which means no matter which settings were previously set, these will be overwritten by the profit group. Create a new record. For example, type in pre-orders here. Set the profit for the products which belongs to the group. On the left side you can see all cached products. If you don't see any products, follow the instructions in the previous video labeled H4G Cache. Search for products that you want to assign to this group or just click on the Add button. On the right side you can see all products that belong to this group. You can of course also sort out products from the group by clicking on Delete. I think the principle should be clear now. In the next video I'll show you how to set the email settings. For more instructions, subscribe to our channel and never miss any video.